builders out there, guys. You guys that have 15, 20, 30 grand worth of tools, yeah, remember that's your livelihood. Yeah, so if you can catch these guys, man, make sure you teach them a good lesson. Nicely though. Yeah, don't kill them, just teach them a lesson. Alright guys, what's happening? Chris from Car Sound Security. Right, so today we've got a Mercedes Sprinter 16, 17, 66 mate. Okay? So what we've done, we've fitted a StarLine today. So what this alarm actually does, it actually calls you, it texts you, you can have up to 4 numbers on there, guys.
Alarm in alarm system mode.
It makes no difference if the person's got the keys, yeah? It makes no difference whatsoever. So as you can see on the app, you've got the shield. So that means it's in the arm position there, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna produce the tag and I'm actually gonna get it to disarm so you can see what happens. So guys, bear with me, I've just gotta find the tag. Okay, so I've got the tag there. So it's going to disarm in a minute. You hear the siren chirp as well. Okay, so what we've actually done as well, on trigger you get a siren going off and you also get it calling you. So you just heard the siren chirp, okay? So you can see now the bubble's gone and it's going to come up disarm. There you go. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get it to arm again. So I've just got to step like a meter this way because we've set it up to a certain radius. As you saw, you just heard it chirp and there you go. Okay, what we've actually done as well, let me walk you around the side and then I'll show you in the video as well afterwards. So what we've done, the van's unlocked by the way guys, okay, and I'll show you in a minute. So just above these doors on the inside, okay, we've put a motion sensor, and on the side loading door, I'll show you as well when we get in there, we've put a motion sensor. These are your entry points, and also we've put a motion sensor in the cabin in the front. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it triggers, guys. So remember, it's in the arm position. The vehicle's unlocked, guys, yeah? Okay, so what I'm going to do, there you go. I just put my hand in, it's triggered, and you'll see what happens in a minute. Alright, it's called me straight away, yeah? So do that. Yeah? So it's told you that someone's tampering with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present the tag, guys. Yep, so look, there you go, it's seen the tag. And what happens there? Okay, remember guys, we've got this alarm doing things it shouldn't do, alright? So it's literally the way we triggered it with the motion sensors and everything. It's not made for that purpose, but we've got it doing some next things, guys. Trust me, it's unbelievable. Now, all right, so that was on motion detection, guys, yeah? All right, so what we're going to do as well, this is also, guys, full tracking. It tells you where we are. Look at that, Redbridge, just off the A12. That is us, yeah? All right, Cantley Gardens on the corner there. All right, so remember, it's full tracking as well. Alright, so you know it's disarmed. Look at that. There you go, guys. Yeah? So what I'm going to do, I'm literally going to put it away. We're going to walk away. So I think my spot is about here. I've set my detection tag up to. That's where it's set it up to. There you go. You heard the chirp there. It's bleeped. Alright? Okay, guys, remember, we've got a siren going on. It will phone you and text you, okay? If you don't pick up, you call the next person. If they don't pick up, you then calls the next person. There you guys are there, guys. All right? So for all your security needs, guys, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Or alternatively, guys, email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com.